Hi guys, Julia Haka is here. Today we're gonna do an exercise that very simple but very challenging. Challenging not because of technical skills, but because our brains will resist as much as it can. It will be squirmish, it will be like, no, let me take a look what I'm doing here. And the goal, your challenge is not to follow your brains, just allow yourself to do exercise without overthinking it, because the purpose of it is actually very simple. It's how to loosen up in your drawing skills, in your skills when you handle the brush, when you handle the paint, how to get this feeling of spontaneous, fresh painting. So there it is. We start with a piece of paper, or you can use a canvas, whatever is comfortable for you. I am looking at, in this case, at the dry flower. You can use any object you want, or fresh flowers, whatever. So I just put it in front of me, and I will be drawing that flower without taking a look at the paper, not even once. I'm not allowing myself, no matter how much I'm tempted to do this, I'm not allowing myself to take a look at the paper and what's going on there. So let's start. Okay, so I'm paying attention to all kind of details. And I'm trying not to lift my hand off the paper in order to have this continuous line. And I'm sure that looks ridiculous. It might not even look like any flower. Those are simple, between 30 seconds to 1 minute exercises. Okay. Well, it does look like a flower. I just should use a little bit more pressure so you can see a better impression of what I'm doing. And now I will try to repeat the same painting of this drawing of the same flower without looking at it, with my closed eyes. So bear with me, and let's do it. Okay. Resist desire to pick. You see, I close my eyes. Okay, so what do I remember? And I know that I'm already in a fantasy land, but I'm trying to stay to the image I had. Whoa. Let's see what's happened there. Your task is now is do this every day and practice in this kind of exercise without looking or with the closed eyes, without looking at the paper, at what you're painting there, or with closed eyes. And I advise to start with a charcoal or pencil, and try with different objects. I love flowers, so I draw and paint flowers, and that's why it's my preference. You can do a cup, you can do a chair, whatever is fancy, whatever is your fancy. Okay? Bye.